Okay, so if you can see down here, I'm running a program. This is a space launch program. So I was counting down from 10 to 1. So this is going to mimic like a rocket ship launch. So let's take a look at that code. You can see the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, just like you would see on a NASA live stream or something like that. Okay, so let's take a look at the code. So this one's interesting because we're counting backwards. We're counting down from 10 to 1, but really it's just counter-controlled repetition when it comes down to it. So we start with count equal to 10, okay? Starting at 10, just like you would in a regular space launch if you're counting down. 10, 9, 8, and so on, counting down. So we have, while count is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so because everything's backwards now. So we start at 10, we're going to keep looping while count is greater than or equal to 1. And then we're just going to print the value of count. So that's what gives us the actual numbers, the 10, 9, 8, and so on. I put the sleep statement in here. This is part of the time module. You can put your program to sleep or delay the execution by 1 second in this case. So to make it look more realistic, here, look, if I comment this out, watch when this runs. I'm going to hit the run button. Watch this down here. It happened in like 1 second. Okay, that's not fun. It's not suspenseful. So we can put the program to sleep 1 second at a time. Okay, make it more realistic. And then look at this. This is the decrement. So in the previous loops that we looked at, we were always incrementing. We're counting down. It's backwards now, so we're decrementing. So this translates to count equals whatever's already in there minus 1. Okay, as I said before, this is such a common thing to want to do in coding that there are shortcuts in most languages. And so that's what this is. It's the same way of doing that. Okay, and that's it. So you don't necessarily, it's more common to count up, I would say, in loops, but you certainly can count down if you need to.